gonna check the front tire, the front wheel.
The first, you need to lose this nut and lose tension of cable.
Okay.
Always hold the cable one hand
Okay.
and screw second hand, because of cable wants to rotate and you can do damage it.
$17?
Yeah, it's 17. Loose this bolt. And one very important thing. Very important. Axle has a left hand thread.
So threads opposite.
Yeah. So to unscrew it, you have to rotate clockwise. And remove bolt. Axle has this for this bolt. So in normal position, like this, bolt is here.
Wow. That's cool. Yeah. We can look at the brakes too. Okay. Cool.
So see the difference. These brake pads are smaller than its rear side. So these brake pads.
And they're not greasy. So that's good.
Yeah. These brake pads fits only for M72. So it's hard to find.
So,
Condition of these brake pads is very good. They're like new. So
nice. Yes.
here is no reason to
And the bearing's probably still good too.
bearings.
Is that a bearing?
No,
Just a channel?
it's,
Okay.
this shim installs here.
Okay. Nice.
And when you is installing brake plate, this have to be here
Ooh, that's good to know, yeah. Okay.
in this place. So it's very simple.
So that's pretty simple in there. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Condition is fine.
Beautiful. Look at that original paint.
Yeah.
Looks great. Sergey looks bored.
Скучаешь.
Okay.